In this video, we'll show you how to make bricks in Minecraft. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Bricks are useful for crafting brick blocks, which are a great block for building. Here's how you can get started. First, you'll need to go ahead and find yourself some clay. This can be commonly found in shallow water. As you can see here, there's some clay right below the surface. Go ahead and mine up those clay blocks. You can either use a shovel like I am doing in this video, or you can collect it with your hands. Once you have some clay balls, head over to a furnace. Place the clay balls in the furnace, along with something that you can use to smelt them, such as fuel, coal, or wood. And after they begin smelting, you should receive some bricks. This can take a wide variety of time to go ahead and do, and you can either wait for it on this menu or do something else while it smelts. Once you have at least 4 bricks, you can go ahead and open up a crafting menu. Either a crafting table or your main menu will work, and you can craft brick blocks. That's all there is to it. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to leave a like and subscribe.